Number 1, which of the following numbers has the digit 6 in a place value position that is 1/10 the value of the digit 6 in the number 509,786 and 25 hundredths? Number 2, how is the following number written in standard notation? Number 3, write the following number in standard form: 17 10,000ths, 25 ones, 5 tenths, 6 hundredths. Number 4, how is the following number represented in written notation? A, 73,000, 30 and 92 ones. B, 73,000, 3 and 92 hundredths. C, 73,000, 30 and 92 tenths. D, 73,000, 30 and 92 hundredths.